Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS grid. Create grid within grids. So, turning an element into grid only affects the behavior of its direct descendants. So, by turning a direct descendant into grid, you have a grid within a grid. For example, by setting the display and grid template column properties of element with the item 3 class, you create grid within your grid. So the task we have for this challenge, turn the element with item 3 class into grid with two columns with a width of auto and one fragment and using display and grid template column. So first we have to find out item 3 class, and in that we have display of auto and one fr, and for grid template, oh I forward display grid template columns. This will be auto and one fr. So it will be arranged in horizontal, where it one will take one fragment and the another will take the rest. One fraction. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next series. Till then, bye bye.